Hi, everybody. Welcome to our fourth week of Sociology 105, Marriage and the Family. This week we will be studying families and socioeconomic inequality, and this is your first video for this week. Be sure to go ahead and get your lecture quizzes because I'm going to give you your first answer in the next slide. I want to begin by talking about the midterm exam. This class did so well on the midterm exam. The class average was 85%, which is the highest class average I've ever seen in Soc 105. So whatever you did for studying, you did a great job, and I was really impressed by how well you did. Because this course is so short, the final exam is coming up in just a couple weeks. So I have posted the final exam study guide. It is found under the modules page under exams and study guides. This week we have, let me go back, sorry. So the first lecture quiz question was about the class average. The class average on the midterm exam was 85%. This week we have a few assignments. There's a lecture and a lecture quiz, a response journal, and a discussion board. I wanted to mention that next week's discussion board includes an interview that you will need to conduct with a family member. So go ahead and read the assignment and start working on finding somebody to interview so you'll be prepared for next week. I also wanted to mention that all assignments for the course through week 6 are now posted, aside from the lectures and the lecture quizzes. So you can go ahead and look at them all. Everything is now posted. Okay, so that's it for the first video. You can go on to the next one now.